Hi. In order to actually create our SD-WAN policy, we must first connect our management to our Infinity Portal tenant. This will enable us to later on use the objects from our management in the SD-WAN policy once we've enabled the configuration sharing, and will at that point see the different objects in the assets page, which we currently see is empty. The portal gives us here the indication that this must be done, and we go ahead and select Connect, giving us the instructions needed as to proceed. We'll start with Open Smart Console and navigate to the Infinity Services. And so here we'll open our Smart Console. We've gone to the Infinity Services, and we'll go ahead and select the Get Started. Here, it requests us to get a token, which we'll soon get, and once we have it, we'll paste it here. As we select the Get Token, it again directs us to the portal, enables us to select the relevant account for which we need this, proceed on, and accept the fact that we would like to do so. Here we see the token. We copy it, and we return to the same location in the Smart Console, paste it, and go ahead and connect. Now it'll take a few seconds. The connection will go ahead and take place. And once it's connected, we'll see in a second, we see the connection and we see it is active. So now the management and the portal are connected. The next step is here, the configuration sharing, for which we spoke of. This is something that could take a few minutes, okay? We enable it, and then it goes ahead and takes the objects which we spoke of, such that they are synced and seen and can be worked with in the portal. So we select OK, and this will take a few minutes. An additional thing that we can do as that is taking place is the log sharing. For the log sharing, this enables the different logs from the management to also be seen in the portal. So we go ahead and we select the edit. And here, we will go ahead and we have the option of all products. We'll go ahead and enable it for specific products. For the SD-WAN, we will need the SD-WAN, the application control, and the URL filtering. Okay. And we will now enable the log sharing. The log sharing, both of these can be done in the SmartOne Cloud as well. For the log sharing in the SmartOne Cloud, it'll be automatic. Okay, in general, the connection will be automatic, but then, and for the configuration sharing, we still would, in the SmartOne Cloud, need to also enable the configuration sharing. So after running for a while, the configuration sharing should now become active, as seen here. The Quantum SD-WAN will remain inactive until we have an actual SD-WAN policy that is being created and used. As we go back into the portal, we'll notice now that in the assets, we have the actual sync and the objects which we can now use for the SD-WAN policy. And in the Getting Started, you'll notice your Quantum Management Server is connected with your Infinity Portal account, and you're ready to go to start with the actual SD-WAN policy creation. Thank you.